India in the monsoon is an emotion. As the skies burst open and the earth awakens with a new breath of life, the country turns into a lush mosaic of green hills, misty mountains, glistening rivers, and roaring waterfalls. While the world runs to the usual tourist circuits, there are places that stay quietly magical, untouched, uncrowded, and full of wonder. Today, we are taking you on a journey to explore India's most beautiful, lesser-known monsoon destinations, places that will steal your heart and refresh your soul. Tamhini Ghat, Maharashtra. Just a few hours from Pune and Mumbai, Tamhini Ghat transforms during the monsoon into a landscape straight out of a dream. Thick forests, flowing streams, fog-covered roads, and dozens of waterfalls make this one of the most underrated gems in Maharashtra. It's a paradise for monsoon treks, long drives, and roadside chai sessions. Waterfall rappelling and camping under cloudy skies are also popular here. Agumbe, Karnataka. Famous for its high rainfall and dubbed the Cherrapunji of the south, Agumbe is a biodiversity hotspot. Nestled in the western Ghats, it offers surreal landscapes during the rains. Dense forests, stunning sunsets, ancient temples, and rare wildlife like the king cobra make it an explorer's dream. You can go trekking to Barakna Falls or visit the Agumbe Rainforest Research Station. It's a monsoon mystery waiting to be uncovered. Dudhpatri, Jammu and Kashmir. A lesser-known treasure in the Kashmir Valley, Dudhpatri means Valley of Milk, inspired by the frothy streams that gush through its meadows. Come monsoon, this region glows with emerald hues and is often enveloped in light mist. Horse riding across the meadows, picnic by the riverside, or simply walking under pine trees, Dudhpatri offers a kind of peace only found in places yet untouched by mass tourism. Valparai, Tamil Nadu. Hidden in the Anaimlai Hills, Valparai is surrounded by tea estates, rainforests, and wildlife sanctuaries. The monsoon here is mild but enchanting. The drive to Valparai itself is filled with hairpin bends, misty roads, and chances of spotting elephants or the rare lion-tailed macaque. Adventure lovers can try mountain biking, tea estate treks, and photography amidst the misty hills. Bastar, Chhattisgarh. For those craving something truly wild and off the beaten path, Bastar is the answer. The tribal heartland of Chhattisgarh becomes lush and vibrant during the rains. Waterfalls like Chitrakote and Tiratagarh are brought to life. Forest trails become thrilling, and the tribal festivals continue even in the downpour. Jeep safaris, cultural walks, and cave exploration in the Kanger Valley National Park are unforgettable experiences. Cherrapunji's secret trails. Meghalaya, known globally for its rain, Cherrapunji holds countless secrets. Beyond the touristy points lie living root bridges, hidden waterfalls, and natural pools in the jungle. Monsoon trekking in this region is mystical. Imagine crossing a bridge made of roots while it rains around you. You can also try spelunking in caves like Mausamai or ziplining over lush valleys. Kumbalongi, Kerala. This fishing village near Kochi becomes enchanting during the rains. It's India's first model tourism village and offers an authentic experience. Learn crab farming, go on canoe rides through mangroves, and watch Chinese fishing nets in action as the rain paints the backwaters in shimmering tones. It's slow travel at its best. Jovai, Meghalaya. Tucked in the Jaintia Hills, Jovai is quieter than Shillong and just as beautiful. Monsoon brings out the raw beauty of Tishi Falls, Fifi Falls, and the surrounding lakes. You can go kayaking, visit ancient monoliths, or enjoy simple Khasi hospitality in traditional homes. For peace seekers and nature lovers, Jovai is a dream come true. If these hidden monsoon havens are calling to your inner wanderer, it's time to hit the road. And if you're loving these travel secrets as much as we love sharing them with you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more offbeat destinations. travel ideas, and hidden gems. Your support helps us keep discovering the unexplored for you. Thenmala, Kerala, a gem for ecotourism. Thenmala blends adventure, nature, and peace. Explore tree houses, go mountain biking through forest trails, enjoy boat rides in the Shindone Wildlife Sanctuary, or take romantic nature walks in the rain. It's serene, sustainable, and stunningly green during the monsoon. Bhimshankar, Maharashtra. Apart from being a revered Jyotirling destination, Bhimshankar is a dense forest reserve that turns magical in the rain. Trekking trails lead you through clouds and waterfalls. Rare flora, giant squirrels, and ancient temples add a mystical layer to this destination. If you're lucky, the trail itself might be veiled in clouds as you walk. Tinsukia, Assam, less known as a monsoon destination, Tinsukia surprises travelers with its rain-soaked tea gardens, wetlands, and wildlife reserves like Dibru-Sakhova National Park. You can take a boat ride through the flooded forests, explore Maguri Beel for bird watching, or interact with local communities to understand life by the Brahmaputra. Buksa, West Bengal. In the rain-washed forests of North Bengal, Buksa Tiger Reserve remains hidden in plain sight. Trek to Buksa Fort, explore dense jungles, and experience pure silence broken only by the sound of rain. Stay in forest lodges and spot exotic wildlife like leopards, elephants, and colorful birds. India's monsoon has many moods, from the drama of thunderstorms to the serenity of mist-covered meadows. These offbeat destinations offer not just scenic beauty, but also adventure, introspection, and an opportunity to reconnect with nature and with yourself.